Hey guys, running Kimono here. So Coupon John again sent a huge amount of inserts. They arrived and it was the coupons from last week and this week, and I think the mailbox almost fell over. There were so many in there, and a lot of these um, I just want to share with you guys because this is just overwhelming to receive this amount of coupons. And he has been exactly where you guys are standing, a lot of newer couponers, or you just can't get your hands on inserts. And he just wants to pay it forward and do something for you guys. So with that being said, John, thank you so much. You are so generous. I'm also throwing in a mystery gift card into one of them. So we're going to have two winners for this little giveaway. And this is just going to be like a 24-hour giveaway because the mail is tremendously slow right now. Even myself, if I order something online from like Maine, it will take, instead of the 3 days, a week plus. So just please keep that in mind. And this is tideless inserts for the PNG, so there is none of those fancy tied coupons. So if you're not interested, maybe just enter the next one. I just wanted to disclaim that. But anyhow, John is just fantastic, and he's doing this to help you guys out. And I know with a lot of these coupons that are still in the inserts that are valid, it's really going to help a lot of you. I know that inserts cost a lot of money, so this is just an opportunity where some of you can get in on deals that you perhaps couldn't have. If you've won before, you can still participate. This is a free contest. I pay for the shipping and all that fun stuff, and we're just going to have two winners this go around. Okay guys, let's talk about some rules. You got to be a subscriber to my channel. Tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments write Columbus, Ohio couponer. One entry per person, and the winner will be picked on Friday, July the 17th. So I'm going to have two winners. One will win the gift card and inserts, and then the other person will just win some inserts. So that's how it is. And I usually get my husband to pick the winner, so it's totally out of my control as well. And I'm just doing this like a quick 24-hour turnaround because of the problems with the post office and how like a 3-day priority is taking like a week plus. And just have a little bit of patience too, guys, that if you get this like later, like next Friday, it's out of my control as well. And why some of these insert coupons are so fantastic. There is a really great one, which is a buy one, get one free on the Febreze, and it's good until the 25th. And this one too on the Gillette disposable razors. So if you look at this deal next week over at Walgreens, so this will be starting on the week of the 19th, there is going to be a 12-pack of the Gillette disposable razors for $7.99. Subtracting that $5 coupon, you're paying $2.99 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward. So you're getting a 12-pack of the Gillette disposable razors completely for free. So, I mean, this is just fantastic. And there's also some Febreze coupons in there too. So any which way that you look at it, if you are an extreme couponer, you will find a deal with these coupons. Okay guys, and just a quick little thing here too. In your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account, this guy started showing up this morning. Shout out to my friend Wanda who sent me a screenshot of this. It's 5,000 points when you spend 20. I got the 5,000 points when you spend 50. They must know that I'm rich, so they gave me the biggest one. But yeah, about that. But anyhow, load this one. We're going to use it next week. It's valid from the 19th to the 25th. It is of a one-time use, and it is a fantastic little coupon. Now, I did go to Walgreens this morning because I had to get the gift card for the giveaway. And I saw this in the back of the store and I was like, oh my gosh, disinfectant spray for $4.99. Use 5,000 points and you're paying tax for that. I know a lot of us who are trying to find this sort of stuff to like kill that terrible virus. This is the one thing that we have been looking for, and it's been kind of hard and challenging. This is something I would absolutely use points to pay for because you don't want to really feel it out of pocket. So you might want to check in store, guys. You might get lucky like I did and find some of this. And I was like having my prices right moment today when I found it, and I only grabbed one as well. Okay guys, so Dollar General, I just want to kind of add a couple things to the balance of this video. I know that I made a video a couple days back and I'm like, there might be a clearance event, there might not be, I don't know. And this morning I thought, I'm going to call a bunch of stores in my region. So stores in the Upper Peninsula, right to Alpena, Michigan. So I was like calling everybody this morning like a great person on the phone. You can only imagine how much they enjoyed me. And of the 12 stores that I called, the definitive answer was there was not going to be a clearance event. And I actually went to a store about 20 minutes from my home, walked in and actually talked to a manager this morning. And they also told me, like, no, we're not doing that here. So I'm thinking maybe it's just a region of the US, like perhaps the South, or maybe like the West Coast, East Coast. But for whatever reason, this part of Michigan that I'm in, it's not happening. So sorry, guys. However, things will still be on point this weekend over at the Dollar General, especially on Saturday with the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 for Gain merchandise. Like, it's going to be fantastic. I am really looking forward to round 2 of this. I'm getting myself organized. And if you missed this video, please check it out. There's some solid deals with Gain specifically, and I even have some digital ones cooked up for you guys. And the last thing I want to talk about, I don't know what I was on yesterday, but I was saying that you can get free toothpaste this week at Rite Aid. I don't know again what I was on. It's next week. It's the week of the 19th to the 25th. So you need this coupon from this week's Smart Source. So pairing it with this, it's free toothpaste over at Rite Aid. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.